Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to restore deleted files in a Google Drive on iPhone. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to go ahead to this Google Drive options, the application, just tap on it. And here before it I have deleted or removed from my Google Drive many files. If you want to restore it again, you just have to go ahead to this three slice icon at the top left, and after go ahead to this bin options or folder. Just go ahead, and this is the files that I have deleted before or removed before. If you want to, you just have to tap on this three dots icon at the files, and now tap on this restore options, and the file will automatically go to the Google Drive page again, I guess. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.